Not all stories are written in books. Some are hidden in the lives of ordinary people. This is the story of RamNath, an old cobbler who did not just repair shoes, he repaired memories asterisk. Dash. In the busy heart of the city, where footsteps never stopped, sat an old man with a wooden cart. His name was RamNath. He had no big shop, no shining lights, just a few old tools and hands full of patience. Every day, people brought him worn-out shoes. But for RamNath, shoes were never just leather. He believed they carried the footprints of a person's life. Some shoes spoke of hard work. Some carried the dust of long journeys. Others whispered of childhood laughter. So when RamNath repaired a shoe, he was not only fixing it, he was preserving someone's story. His fingers stitched carefully, as if weaving strength back into the lives of strangers. He never charged much. Sometimes a few coins, sometimes nothing at all. His reward was simple: a smile of gratitude, a sigh of relief, and the joy of seeing someone continue their journey. But few people knew that RamNath once dreamed of being a storyteller. He loved words just as much as he loved leather. Life, however, chose another path for him. The dream of stories faded, and the work of mending shoes began. Yet, in his own way, he still became a storyteller. Every shoe he repaired, every soul he met, was a silent story he carried in his heart. To the world, he was just a cobbler on a street corner. But in truth, RamNath was much more. A keeper of journeys, a preserver of memories, and a silent storyteller whose tales walked away with every pair of shoes he touched.